Installing ink in the HP DeskJet 3700 printer series. Make sure the printer is on a flat, even surface, then push the power button. The printer starts initializing. When the printer stops making noise, open the cartridge access door. Open the package containing the black ink cartridge. If you have difficulty opening the package, you can use scissors to cut it open. Before installing the cartridge, make sure you remove the protective tab from the cartridge. Make sure you do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Holding the black cartridge by its sides, insert it in the right slot at a slight upward angle. The contacts must face the back of the printer for a correct install. Slide the cartridge in the slot and press firmly until it clicks into place. Now, remove the tricolor cartridge from its package. Remove the protective tab, making sure not to touch the contacts. Holding the tricolor cartridge by its sides, insert it in the left slot at a slight upward angle. Close the cartridge access door.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos, and in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.